Hello, my name's Matthew Cobham. I'm the Global Cluster Manager for Culture at ERCO. And over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the new Eclipse range. 28,000 possibilities, which brings a lot of flexibility. Visitor experiences are a topic that is getting talked about more and more in museums and galleries. And here we now have RGBW light also available in the Eclipse range. I'm just going to change this, for example, to really saturated red. Let's try a green as an example. Let's then adapt that. Imagine that blue is more appropriate. So there is now a lot of choice if you want color. In fact, 16 million choices. Let's now talk a little bit about Tunable White. Of course, Tunable White as a topic is not new, but what we have, which is unique here now, is the possibility to have Tunable White with consistently high CRI, always above 90, regardless of whether you're at the warm end or at the cool end of the spectrum. That's one point. And the second point is about consistent high lumen output. We've got it set up as a warm background with cool on our statue. You can also easily adjust that to the opposite, for example, from a warm from 2700 Kelvin right the way up actually to 8000 Kelvin on either the back wall or on the statue, as you wish. So let's do a little demonstration of that. For example, here we have it anyway on full. Let's now reduce that color temperature to a warmer color temperature on the statue. And let's just imagine that you want to have that as a cooler color temperature on the background. Let's just make that cooler. You're actually going up to 8000 Kelvin.